My name is Aline, and I'm a busy mom of two with no green thumb. I got tired of plastic packaging and food waste and was wondering about the chemicals on my leafy greens. So I spent the past 3 years researching and testing materials, plants and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. My mission was to not only feed my family fresh, chemical-free food, but also make it look like beautiful art in the home. I wanted to create a solution that overcomes the 3 main reasons why people struggle to grow at home: space, time, and don't know how. The HydroArtPod overcomes these problems. The HydroArtPod is a complete indoor gardening system. It doesn't need soil. Water circulates automatically and is kept in the specially shaped spouts, so plants continuously get all the nutrients they need. The app tells you whenever you need to do something. It's that easy.
So for me, freshness is the most important thing. It just does its own thing. All you have to do is eat from it and that keeps it going. Honestly, I think it is so easy. I never thought it would be like that. We're all looking for a higher level of nutrition in terms of looking good, feeling good, living our best lives. So it's really good that you can have that at the tip of your fingers. I can't ever see being without one. It really has become part of the household. I know that when I walk into the room, I'm going to see it, and I know that I can head over and go, oh, well, what am I going to eat next?
State-of-the-art grow lights mean that your plants grow fast, so you can eat them sooner. We designed it like a picture frame to look like green art in your home. Thanks to the special fixings, it hangs on any wall, or you can stand it on its feet. Planting is as easy as using a coffee pot, thanks to our pre-packed seed pods. Unlike other indoor gardens, you will never need to measure plant food. Just drop in the pre-dosed plant food when the app notifies you. We designed the world's first indoor garden with extra support for plants as they grow larger, so you can grow anything from leafy greens to tomatoes, cucumbers, peas and beans.
Look, as a dad, it's happy days, It's hard to get greens into kids. To have them making their own smoothies, I mean, what more would you want? It's their garden as much as it is mine. It's just brilliant to see them taking that sort of responsibility for their food, for their healthy eating. The HydroArtPod is so easy to maintain. I mean, you've got an app, it tells you when it needs water, tells you when it needs food. I mean, it's unbelievable, Ping, okay, a bit more water. But to be honest, you find yourself attracted to this thing. So you want to go over there, you're sort of checking it. I mean, for me, it's really got me into gardening, I've never been a gardener before, but this is brilliant. It looks amazing, right? I mean, anyone that walks into your house just sees it and just straight over there, Brilliant in terms of healthy eating, being sustainable and the environment. In particular, I would recommend it for families.
You can harvest your plants from as early as 21 days and continue growing fresh veggies as long as you want, for 365 days of the year. The HydroArtPod takes as little energy as a small aquarium and only needs a water top-up every other week. We want to give everyone the opportunity to ditch chemicals and plastic packaging and instead harvest at home all year round. We need your help to bring the HydroArtPod to life. Join us and back our campaign today.
You don't understand how much I love this.